Hey everyone, it's Jerry and Graham here with your October 2025 Waterloo Region Market Update. We're heading into the final stretch of the year, and while sales are still trending a little bit below average, we are seeing some interesting movement right now for listings and borrowing costs.
Absolutely. This month's numbers show 569 homes sold across the region. That's a 6.7% drop compared to last year and about an 18% below the 10-year average for October.
Crazy.
So activity is a little bit slower than usual, but we did see a bit of a pickup compared to September, which was nice.
Yeah, for sure. Now, breaking it down by property type, detached homes actually sold 371. That was down 3.4% from last year's. Townhomes, they sold 89, and that's down 16.8% from last year as well. Condos only sold 56. That's down 16.4%. And semis only sold 49, which is only down 2% from last year as well in October. So
All right.
detached homes are still leading the way, but townhouses and condos have softened for the most part this month.
All right, now let's talk prices. The average sale price across all property types in October was $734,000. That's down 5.6% from last year and just 2.4% from September. So prices are still adjusting downward as we move further into fall.
And I think that was expected with the seasonality, right? So
For sure.
let's break it down for the home type. So detached homes, your average came in at 842,000, down 4.8% over the year and only 1% over the month. Townhouses, 593,000, down 8.2% over the year and 2.2% over the month. Condos, 433,000, down 10% over the year and 1.9% over the month. And semis, 573,000, down 11.9% over the year and only 7.7 over for the month as well. So we are seeing price declines across the board, especially in the semi and the condo segments. So where affordability and inventory are playing a pretty big role in this aspect.
Yeah, for sure. All right, speaking of inventory, there were 1,236 new listings in October, which was up 7% from last year and 29% above the 10-year average. So, and by the end of the month, there were 2,056 active listings, which is a 24% increase year over year and a huge jump on the long-term average.
Massive jump.
Yeah.
So it does put us at about that 3.9% or months of inventory, the absorption rate for supply, at a pretty healthy level that's keeping the market more balanced right now. So condos have the most inventory around that 7.6 month supply, followed by townhomes at 4.7 months and detached homes at 3.1.
All right. Average time to sell in October was 31 days, just one quicker than last month, but still a little bit slower than the 27-day average that we've seen last year. Homes are staying on the market a little bit longer, giving buyers, again, more time to compare and negotiate.
Yeah, for sure. Now, a big development this month was the actual Bank of Canada dropping their interest rate again by 0.25%. It's the first movement we've seen in a while from the Bank of Canada, so it's a small adjustment. Along with the talk of holding rates steady for the months to come, it could help boost buyer confidence as we head into the winter.
Exactly. For buyers, this combination of more inventory, slightly lower prices, slightly lower interest rate, and easing borrowing costs makes it a great time to explore opportunities. For sellers, again, we're talking strategic pricing and presenting your home well is still the keys to standing out.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you are thinking of buying or selling before the end of the year, let's connect. That's a pretty quick timeline, and we can just talk about your goals.
All right. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again next month for your market status update.